Adam Barker with AB NightVision. We've got that same MGA that we already dropped out of an airplane twice, so we're gonna drop it again, see what happens. So here's the MGA after its third airplane drop. Don't see any damage to it. Green, green, still works. Okay, so I have to admit, the first time I dropped them, I cheated a little bit. I made some kind of bikini scope covers that held them together. It's a little more solid. So I thought this time we'll do the drop with individual covers, which we did, and same result. It's fine. It's a tough unit. We got the MGA again. It has been through 3 airplane drops. We're going to do one more. This one will be from 1,000 feet. Well, it made a little crater. Yep, they still work. Everything looks good.